Let's take a potential customer, right? That you would go into their website today and they want to ask a question. What do they have to do? Either talk to the chatbot on the website that don't gonna give them any answer, just push them to give their email, or they need to fill out a form and then wait for a meeting to happen. By that time, there are 5 other competitors who might offer a similar solution to you, and they would get to those customers faster so they can build a relationship with them. They can already put in their mind some questions that they know they're gonna put a trap for capabilities that you don't have. You invested so much money in bringing the lead into your website, but then at the moment that they're on your website, you basically lost the lead and lost already the deal. And that's the difference with Knock, because Knock enable you. Those leads that come in, you can create an immediate connection. They get the answer that they're coming from. You can already go into the meeting at that point on, give them all the data, and that way no competitor is even relevant because I already got them hooked, bring the experience to them, and they can start engaging and learning with me.